Hi, friends. The lamb-like attributes of God that we've seen so far lead us to one final conclusion. God is good. Jesus said in Mark 10:18, God alone is good. Our meager good thoughts, intentions, and actions are not even in the same league with the goodness of God. Isaiah 55:8 and 9 tells us, as the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts higher than your thoughts. God's goodness is clearly higher than our goodness. It is so much higher that God compares the difference between ours and His to the distance between the earth and the stars. That is a vast difference, but His goodness is still recognizable to the human eye. Jesus said, if you then, though you are evil, know how to give good gifts to your children, how much more will your Father in heaven give good gifts to those who ask Him? Matthew 7:11. Jesus said we humans know good from evil, and God is good. Godspeed, my friends.